Urine analysis. So urine analysis is the analysis of urine in order to find out presence of sugar, albumin and microorganisms. So what are the purpose? To taste the evidence of sugar in urine, or to taste the evidence of albumin in urine, to taste the reaction, and to taste the specific gravity. Now articles required for urine analysis is a container or a specimen collection bottle to collect the specimen, Benedict solution, acetic acid, test tube and test tube holder, kidney tray, paper bag, spirit lamp with spirit, newspaper, matchbox and cotton balls. Next, the procedure. First, we need to select a proper place so that you can place your community bag. Spread the newspaper. Keep your bag over the newspaper. Unbutton your bag. Take out the kidney tray and the specimen bottle. Give the specimen bottle to the client for collection of urine. Then take out hand washing article. Wash your hand. Then after hand washing, take out all the article required for your taste. Now first we'll discuss about taste for sugar. The taste for sugar, first what you have to do, you have to pour 5 ml of Benedict solution in your test tube. You have to boil it to find out the color change. If no color change, what does it indicate? It shows the purity of your Benedict solution. If there is any color change of the Benedict solution, then we have to throw it. If there is no color change, what you have to do next, you add 8 drops of urine in the solution and reheat it and allow it to cool. Then after, you observe the color change which indicate the sugar level in urine. If the color is blue, means 0% presence of sugar in urine. If the color it turns to green, then 1% presence of sugar in urine. If it is yellow, 2%. If it is orange, 3%. If it is a brick red color, means 5% sugar present in urine. Now taste for albumin. So here we have to fill the test tube with urine. Check the reaction. If it is alkaline, make it acidic. Next, boil the top portion of your test tube. If there is any cloudy appearance, it indicates albumin or phosphate. Now add 5 drops of acetic acid and reheat it. If clouds still present, it indicates albumin presence, and if it is disappear, it show phosphate presence. So this is the way to taste presence of albumin in the urine. Now termination of the article. So after procedure, how you are going to take care of your article. After procedure, it is essential to terminate the articles in a proper manner. After the result, recording and reporting and dispose of the urine sample as well as the liquid from the used test tube. Take the article to the hand washing area. Wash the article. Put the article on the newspaper for drying up. Then wash your hand. Then give health education. So according to your result, what result you will get from the urine analysis, according to that you have to give health education to the client. Then wipe all the article with spirit swab before placing them inside the bag. After wiping and replacing all the article into the bag, close the chain and pick up the bag. Fold the newspaper, replace it in the outer pocket. So this is the urine analysis procedure.